Afternoon. My name is Madhuri Joshi and I am from class 9th B. Today I am going to explain you my art integration project which I have done and made a presentation of it. So I am just going to explain you my art integration project. So my name is Madhuri Joshi. I am from class 9th B. My roll number is 4. My topic is art and integration project. Index. First, I'm going to give information about five animals from Odisha, and in second part, I'm going to give information about five plants from Odisha. Introduction of the project topic. This topic is under the Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, and in this project, I'm going to give you some information about some plants and animals from Odisha with the scientific name and their pictures. So first is I'm gonna give you information on animals of Odisha. Sambar deer. Sambar deer is a large deer native to the Indian subcontinent, South China, and Southeast Asia, which is listed as a vulnerable species on the IUCN Red List since 2008. Samba bear can reach 42, sorry, my apologies, 40 to 63 inches of height at the shoulder, 5.3 to 6.9 inches of length, 220 to 2200 pounds of weight. Females are much smaller than the males. Body of sambar deer is covered with yellowish brown or dark brown coat. Scientific name of sambar deer is Rusa unicolor. Sambar feed on a wide variety of vegetation including grasses, foliage, browse, fruit and water plants. Second is information on leopard. Leopards are the graceful and powerful big cats related to the lions. Yeah. So information on leopard. Leopards are the graceful and powerful big cats related to lions, tigers, and jaguar. They live in sub-Saharan Africa, Northeast Africa, Central Asia, India, and China. Leopards are the carnivores, but they are not picky eaters. They eat any animal which come across their path. Scientific name of leopard is Panthera pardus. Information on jackal. Jackal are a type of animals that are related to the dogs, foxes, and wolves. They have fox small face, delicate legs, and fluffy tail. With the German Shepherd's long and alert ears, jackals live in most savannas, marshes, bushland, and mountains. Jackals jackals mostly hunt and eat small antelopes, reptiles, insects, ground ground dwelling birds, fruits, and grasses. Scientific name of jackal is Canis aureus. Information on bear. Bear are carnivorous animals and common characteristics of modern bear include large bodies with stocky legs, long snouts, small rounded ears, shaggy ears, non-tractile claws, and short tails. Bears are mostly found in the mountain woodlands and polar bear live in cold regions. Bears' diet also include roots, grasses, berries and insects. They will also they will also fish and mammals. Scientific name of bear is Ursidae. Information on wolf. Wolf is a large canine native to Eurasia and North America. Wolves live in a pack of 6 to 10 animals. They are known to roam large distances, perhaps 12 miles in a single day. Wolves hunt in a pack and eat in a pack like deer, elk, and moose. Wolf's scientific name is Canis lupus. Now we'll come to the second part, which is information on plants from Odisha. Information on bamboo. Bamboo are evergreen perennial flowering plants. The origin of the word bamboo comes probably from the Dutch or Portuguese language, which originally borrowed from Malay or Kannada. Bombay, sorry, my apologies. Bamboo requires hot to warm climatic temperature. Scientific name of bamboo is Bamboo soideae bamboo. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant in the world, which grows at the rate of 35 inches per day. Now, information on teak. Teak is a tropical hardwood tree species. It is large, deciduous tree that occurs in mixed hardwood forests. Teaks need alluvial soil, fairly moist, warm tropical climate. Scientific name of teak is Tectona grandis. Information on rosewood. Rosewood is deep, ruddy brown to purplish brown color. richly streaked and grained with black and resinous layers. Rosewood are found in Brazil, Honduras, Jamaica, Africa, and India. Rosewood grows well in deep, well drained, moist soils. Older trees are drought resistant. Scientific name of rosewood is Dalbergia sisso. Then information on sal. Sal is one of the most important sources of hardwood timber in India with hard, coarse grained wood that is light in color when freshly cut, but becomes dark brown due to exposure. The wood is resinous and durable and is sought after for construction. Although not well suited for planning and polishing, sal is native to Indian subcontinent. Sal grows best in areas where annual day temperature are within the range of 28 to 34 degrees Celsius. Scientific name of sal is Shoria robusta. Then, information on turmeric. Turmeric is a perennial herbaceous plant of the ginger family. Turmeric have been used for the antiquity as a condiment, a textile dye, and a medically as an aromatic stimulant. Turmeric is native to southern India and Indonesia. Turmeric can be grown well from sea level to 15,000 meter in hills at the temperature range of 20 to 30 degrees Celsius with a range of 1500 to 2250 millimeter per annum. Scientific name of turmeric is Curcuma longa. Thank you guys. This was my art and integration project. I hope you'll like it.